Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video, Mick's brought his yew over, which he's going to repot. Go out the air basket. He's only got this pot, which is a nice pot, but it would have looked better with a bit of red or something. But beggars can't be choosers, can they, Mick?
No.
So he's going to prepare the pot, and he's going to get the tray out of the basket, and we'll have a look at the root system before it goes into the new pot. So what I'll do is I'll bring the camera over, same as always. I'll just speed it up while he's preparing the pot, and we'll get the tray out of the pond basket. Mick's getting all the pot done. Just time to get the yew out of the pond basket.
Oh, what's the fun bit?
It's starting, the buds are starting to swell, so it's the right time of day. Bit white on that one. So, you like this bit, didn't you, mate?
Oh, expert at this bit now.
He loves getting his hands dirty. Look, he's showing you his new cup. That's why he's put it in display. What? You ready to go?
I'm ready, mate, I'm ready. So,
That flat bit there.
do you want to hold the tree for me or cut it?
On the camera.
Well, there, yeah?
Yep.
It's dead anyway, that bit.
It is alright.
And then the curly root, which was
And the little cutters.
little cutters. There, mate. Any roots on that big knob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but you want that because that's going to be your feature.
That's
You know what I
underground though, isn't it?
You'd take it off flush with that if you wanted. I would just leave it.
Just
Where's
leave
the
it.
pot?
Pot is... That's going to be tight. Yeah, it's going to be above them, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I've done that way, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Swell it up in there, like. Yeah, I think that.
Once it dries out.
What's on that? No.
Not a lot.
Nothing.
On the big ones.
No.
Oh, there you go.
Fingers.
got that there as well, but you need the
Ah,
big.
but
Oh yeah.
it's another below, you know
Aye.
what I mean? What I would do is just go pot it up, rake these roots out like that, so we can get a radial pattern started.
Yeah. So thin layer.
Thin
Really
layer,
thin
and then
layer.
in.
My favourite bit.
So there's Mick doing the most important bit, getting the air out. He loves repotting trees,
Absolutely love it.
so if anyone lives local and wants a potter.
You're hiring me out now again, are you?
Yep.
Well, I think Joe wanted to hire me, didn't he?
Could have done with 3 years, he says.
No, you only need one of me. 3's way too many.
Tell us about it. One's bad enough. It's just reusing the soil that come out the pot because it was brand new at the bottom, the roots didn't go all the way down. So it's a shame to chuck it away, isn't it?
It is. Especially when
It's good stuff.
Rob's mixed it.
Alright, carry you out dama and everything. So Mick's just going to clean them roots up. What's dead here. And these ones here, so we can get a bit more lime sulphur onto them. If you're using power tools, please use your PPE. Where's yours?
Got them on. The invisible ones. Can not see them.
That's all right. So it's had a drink of water. Now Mick's just going to treat all the dead wood. So have fun.
I will with this smelly stuff.
And smells like he's let one go.
It's disgusting. I'll tell you that much for now, I think. as always, with our trees, we want to put some lava rock on, make it look all nice. And there's the red you were on about you wanted.
Right. Been better with a red pot, but they just can't be chosen. Yeah, that lime sulphur dries will clean that bark.
Yeah.
So it's all top dressed and that now. The bark needs cleaning when the lime sulphur dries because a little bit run off. Like I see, as I put the shape back into this tree, I think it was on a YouTube short one.
Yeah.
It was, wasn't it?
I don't know if it was a short or not. Can't remember.
I didn't style the tree, I just changed it a bit, didn't I? Because it was knocked all over. So that's the year all done, repotted, lime sulphur done. Just needs a bit of the bark cleaning once the lime sulphur dries, had a little bit run off. But once all that fills out, it's going to be a lovely tree from back to the front. So that's just a little video on repotting the yew. Doing the lime sulphur. It doesn't look bad in that pot. Might have been nice with a reddish one, like, but
You've got red.
I've got red on the stones. I was looking if I had a red pot just to put it up against, but I think it works.
And the pot come with another tree anyway.
Oh, with that
yeah.
Japanese hawthorn, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was potted up. So all Mick's got to do is coming year is once he sees the new shoots, cut them back early. Don't let them grow, cut them back early. And it'll create back budding quicker. If you have a look, you've got all your buds on here. That's what I learned in Belgium, that. When they were doing the demo, they says use, once the shoots come out, cut them back.
Cut them back.
Don't let them grow, cut them back early and they're back buds. But that's it on this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe and thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
Ta-ra, folks.
Ta-da, folks.